This film is the ultimate introduction to Maria Nila Bleach Collection, and I will guide you through each product that it contains. Maria Nila decided to create a bleach that will engage both the end consumer and the hairdressers, and we developed a concept around that. We also wanted to make it possible to choose a 100% vegan and cruelty-free bleach. Maria Nila Bleach Collection contains 9 different products. 2 bleach powders, silver bleach and balayage bleach, also available in refill. 5 developers, silver shot 60 ml and a silver shot in 750 ml. Before introducing each product, we would love to explain the concept for you. To understand the concept of the Maria Nila Bleach Collection, we must first refresh our memory within the pH scale. As you know, the hair's natural pH is 5 to 5.5. Our mixed formula of the bleach, whether it's balayage or silver, has a pH of 10.3. And this means that it's alkaline to the hair and will swell the cuticle a lot during the process. After we have done the bleaching session, we of course want to lower the pH again. To do this, we have included the silver shot in our collection. The silver shot is used as the last product in the shower routine and has a lower pH than our conditioners at 3.5 pH. It will help the cuticle to get back where it belongs and at the same time boost the hair with a lot of moisture. The concept in the salon and for the end consumers becomes pretty clear after understanding the pH of our products. It all starts with a salon that offers Maria Nila Bleach Collection. The hairdresser works with the chosen bleach and finishes the session with the silver shot. The hairdresser recommends the client to buy a silver shot 60 ml to bring home. The client uses the silver shot and the result will be prolonged and the client are linked back to the salon. As I said before, we have chosen to work with 2 different bleaching powders, both 100% vegan and cruelty-free. First off is silver bleach, and this is the one that is more of a classic bleaching powder. Silver bleach contains violet pigments that help you reduce or naturalize the underlying pigments straight in the process. Thanks to these pigments, your result will be clearer and you will not need to change the tone with the toner as much as you would have before. Silver bleach can lift up to 7 steps. Of course, this depends on the history of the hair, time, mixing ratio, and a lot of other factors. The formula of silver bleach is a cream formula that is super easy to work with. You can choose to work with silver bleach for a lot of different techniques. Original foils, baby lights, full bleach, foliage, and much more. Next powder is the balayage powder. The formula of balayage bleach is more of a clay formula, thicker and drier than silver bleach. The perfect choice for using freehand techniques. The powder contains the ingredient kaolin, which is a natural clay, and it's this ingredient that gives the thicker formula. It's also kaolin that makes it possible to use without foil or paper. Kaolin will create a dry surface to the formula, but will keep the process going inside. Thanks to this, the formula will not dry or stain during the process. Balayage bleach can lift up to 6 steps. Choose to work with balayage bleach for all desired freehand techniques. And if you prefer to use foils, paper or plastic in between your sections, that is of course okay. The developers we use together with our bleach is actually developed to fit our powders perfectly. We have put a lot of effort into finding the perfect pH, but also the right viscosity to make the mixed formula perfect. All developers are developed and produced in our factory in Sweden. The bottles are color-coded, which is so effective when using it in the salon to make sure that you take the right one. You can also find the units in both percentage and volume. The bottles are in a lower shape, which makes it easier on the wrist to use daily. The cap is a flip cap, which makes it perfect to use when you only have one hand to work with. Finally, we have the silver shot. And the silver shot is always used as the last product in your washing routine, whether it's after a bleaching session in the salon or at home. Silver Shot 60 ml is always recommended to the client to buy home after having done a bleach session with Maria Nila Bleach Collection. The Silver Shot will lower the pH of the hair, add moisture, and if wanted, also to keep the cool tone that can be hard to keep. This is thanks to the violet pigments we have added, and you can adjust the cool shade by changing the processing time. The processing time is 3 to 10 minutes, so if you want to keep a warm result, only use it for 3 minutes. If you want to increase the cool tones, just increase the time. Since the pH is 3.5, you should not use conditioner afterwards.